y'all, welcome back to a new video. In today's video we are going to be trying the new Bliss Clear Genius Line. If you are interested in this, make sure you keep watching. In today's video I will be showing you the 3 products that come in the Clear Genius Line, as well as going over some of the important ingredients that are also in this line, and then I will do a demo and let you guys know how it feels on my skin. I am very intrigued by these products only because I feel like these could possibly be a dupe for Rihanna's new Fenty Skin line. Keep watching to the end to figure out why that is. That my skin is acne prone, so I want to show you guys up close what my skin looks like. The first product in the Bliss Clear Genius line is the Clarifying Gel Cleanser with BHA and Brazilian seawater. The next product in this line is the Clear Genius Clarifying Toner and Serum Clarity 5 Complex, and this has BHA, witch hazel, niacinamide, zinc, PCA, and CISA. And lastly, it also has a 10% AHA, BHA, and PHA blend, which is a clarifying liquid peel. I will put the timestamps down below if you would like to skip through this video, but right now I'm going to go over the ingredients. I'm going to start with the gel cleanser. Now the gel cleanser says that it has BHA in it. First of all, I don't know if I said that last ingredient right, but I'm going to go over what these ingredients do for your skin and why they're important. So the BHA is in the cleanser, the toner and serum, and it is in the liquid peel. BHA stands for beta hydroxy acid. The toner and serum also has witch hazel. Niacinamide minimizes pores appearance, helps with uneven skin tone, and helps with fine lines and wrinkles over time. Zinc PCA helps to control your acne and reduce the amount of acne bacteria that is found on the skin surface. The liquid peel has AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid. Alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid decrease inflammation, reduce large pores, helps with uneven skin tone and texture. So basically, both products are used to exfoliate the skin so that new skin forms. While using these products, I do want to mention how important it is to keep your face moisturized as well as put sunscreen on. I feel like sunscreen is just so underrated. People really feel like they don't have to put it on their skin, and it is so important. I do wish that they would have came out with something that had a sunscreen in it for this line. I also forgot to mention that these products also have salicylic acid in it. It's also a really good ingredient to have in your skincare product. Literally, who does not want smooth skin? So we're gonna go ahead and test these products. So I'm gonna start with the cleanser. Wow, you get quite a bit in one pump. So I'm just gonna lather this on my skin. I also want to mention that these are free of fragrance, which, if you don't know, fragrance can irritate your skin. While I'm doing this, I am going to compare this to the Fenty Skin. Well, everyone was like really hyped up when Rihanna came out with the Fenty Skin line, and you know what? I was almost on the bandwagon to get it, but I didn't. So after reading some reviews, I know her fat water is probably the most hyped thing. I want to start with the cleanser, and I'm going to post ingredients on the screen of both the Bliss and the Fenty all-in-one cleanser. Now you'll notice that the first 4 or 5 ingredients are the exact same. This has a really nice lather. I don't know about you guys, but ever since this whole coronavirus and we gotta wear masks, it has been breaking my face out. Like, that literally started me having a facial routine. Like, I was like, this is just crazy. And I definitely feel like it's because the masks are literally suffocating your face all day. Especially if you have a job that you have to go to and you have to wear it for 9 hours. I mean, I could see while it's breaking my face out. Yeah, this cleanser feels really good. It doesn't really have a smell, just kind of like a clean smell, like a cleanser. And that's also a plus of this line, because you'll notice that Rihanna's line has fragrance in it, and because fragrance can be an irritant to the skin, some people may not want to use that, and this would be a perfect dupe just because it has literally the same main ingredients in it, and this one is fragrance free. So I've been massaging this in for probably about a minute or two now, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse my face. I don't want to say that it feels dry because it doesn't. It feels clean. That's what it feels like. So next we're going to go in with the serum and toner. This is literally a dupe for the fat water, literally. She calls it fat water because she has the toner and serum together, which this has in it, so it doesn't really move around. This has a different applicator, obviously, than the Fenty one, but I'm just gonna try to get some in my hand. So literally, this moves very slow. Literally, just how Rihanna was showing it, and that's what she was saying with the fat water, and basically how it got its name. So I'm going to apply this on my skin, use my hands, and just massage it in. I'm gonna pop on the screen the ingredients of this as well as Rihanna's fat water. You will see that the first 4 ingredients are the same and they're in the exact same order. So the first 4 ingredients of these products are water, witch hazel, butylene glycol, I think I'm saying that right, I'm not sure. And then the Bliss line has is the next ingredient for it is salicylic acid, which again helps to smooth your skin out. So I really like how this line incorporates that into the products. So this feels really good. So the last thing we're gonna go in with is this clarifying liquid peel, and you don't want to use this too much. Definitely something you don't want to use every day. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake it up. And then I am just going to drop a little bit on my face. And just massage it in. So after using this, even though I'm just reviewing these products, if you're not familiar with Bliss, they do have other lines that you can look into. Now this one, like I said, I wish it would have came in a moisturizer, especially one with sunscreen. So it does say to use sunscreen, but I think it would have been very smart if they would have included a sunscreen with this line. But they do have moisturizers that you can use that aren't necessarily with this line, but they have moisturizers in their line. I didn't pick up any of their moisturizers just because I was just gonna do this line. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my normal moisturizer that I've been using. If you guys would like an update of me using these Bliss products to see if my skin clears up and how it clears up, let me know down below. I don't know if I would do like a 2-week update, or I could even wait until like a month, and then let me know down below what you guys would like. And then after applying my moisturizer, I'm gonna go ahead with a sunscreen. So I'm gonna give you guys just a little bit of a recap at the end. Overall, I really do enjoy the packaging of these products. This is literally just so cute. Like, it has very good ingredients in these products. I love that it's fragrance free and it's perfect for sensitive skin. So like I said, if you guys want to update on these products, make sure you let me know down below, because I will be continuing to use these products. Now I do want to mention that I'm not a professional. I'm not like in the skincare world like that, but I do suffer from acne, and I do like to know what is in my acne products so that I can know if it's actually working and if it's actually something that is supposed to be in there. Like always, make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below so that I know you enjoyed the video and you can't wait for a new upload. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.